Kevin with HP. This is our newest version of our Spectre X360 15-inch. And I'll start right out with the core of what's most exciting about it. It's using the brand new Intel processor and graphics on one device chipset that was launched at CES yesterday. So it's a Core i series processor, basically Core i H series processor, 45 watt machine, and an AMD Radeon Vega graphics on the same device. So we get great performance out of the processor and great performance out of the graphics. If you're a content creator, this is the machine you want. Creator machine, it's important to have memory and storage to go along with that CPU and graphics. This one supports up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. So do your video editing, do your photo editing, whatever you want. It also supports up to 2 terabytes of SSD. So plenty of storage to put that video on it. Now, the machine built around that beautiful processor and graphics is our Spectre X360 15-inch. When I say X360, it can convert to tablet or display mode, or of course as a laptop. Some differences though over the previous generation. First, the bezels around the display are much thinner. So overall the machine is smaller. The display is beautiful 15.6 inch 4K display. And this machine's only available with 4K. We've changed the keyboard too. Previous generation had speakers on either side of the keyboard. We moved the speakers to the top and added the numeric keypad. So again, if you're a content creator, use all those special function keys on your keypad. If you're a spreadsheet person, use those numeric keys, but it's all available to you. Large trackpad, very sensitive. Connectivity is great too. We've got 2 USB Type-C ports, and depending on the CPU, it's either 1 or 2 Thunderbolt. We've got a HDMI port, volume control, fingerprint reader here, and it's just a touch fingerprint reader. It doesn't require you to swipe or anything like that, and it gives you that Windows Hello capability. On the other side, we've got a USB Type-A port, the power switch. Here's the jack for input power, headset, and that SD card slot that our competition forgot to include. If you want to avoid typing passwords, this one comes equipped with an IR camera, so you can use Windows Hello with the camera or with the fingerprint reader. And that means much, much fewer typing passwords. The design is quite beautiful. It's only 13.6 millimeters thick, so really nice and thin. It has our new, more streamlined looking logo on it, and 2 colors. We've got a dark ash silver color with copper accents. So it's a really elegant look to it. The copper accents on the sides as well. Some kind of interesting things with that high-end processor, you'd expect thermal management to be an issue. And one of the things we've actually done on here is we've added a thermometer chip to the base. So we watch that temperature very carefully, and it helps us manage the fan speeds and manage the temperature of the device to keep it comfortable. For wireless, we've got our antenna slot right across the top for great access to wireless. And of course, it's 802.11 AC, so you've got strong wireless access. The hinge is kind of interesting. We introduced a geared hinge a couple of years ago, and we've continued to refine it, using it for both our 13-inch and our 15-inch X360 machines. And the nice thing about that geared hinge is its complete consistency between the 2 sides. No matter where I push on the display, it's never going to get out of line, never going to twist, and the motion is just beautiful. All the way from closed to tablet mode. Just right around, very even, very smooth. And because it's gears and not friction, it's going to last a long time. It is an X360. You can use it as a tablet. And of course that implies you need to have a pen. So this is our new HP Tilt pen. The tilt part of it says when you're drawing, you can use it straight on, or you can tilt it for things like shading. It has a single button. You can use it in either a single click or hold it down for a right click. It also has a button on the end. You can use it as an eraser, or if you pair it with your machine via Bluetooth, you can use it to launch an application like the Windows Ink Workspace. And one final thing about this pen, which I think is the most interesting, I open it, and it's got a USB Type-C port to charge. So no more searching for the right kind of batteries for your pen. Just charge it with a USB Type-C charger or cable, close it back up again, and you're ready to go. So this is our new HP Tilt pen. The device is all aluminum, CNC machined out of a block of aluminum, which gives us the capability of building exactly the way we want it. That helps us keep the rigidity up and the weight down. It's going to be available this spring. Starting price is $13.99.